Got my Massey Ferguson 263 2000 model year. I was having problems with the PTO slipping out of gear, and after doing some research and not really coming to coming to a solution to the problem, I found what appears to be a simple solution. If you look, obviously you got your engagement lever right here. You got a linkage, and if you can see, the bolts on the lower part of the linkage are loose. So all we have to do is tighten those up, and that should fix the problem. So I'm back. So I tightened those bottom two bolts, but as you can see, it goes firmly into gear now. I love easy solutions. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video.